SENOR Metals Pvt Limited presents Flow-Meter with regulator with heater for carbon dioxide gas. Forged brass construction for regulator body, bonnet, flow-meter body. Round polycarbonate flow meter tubes provide more clear visibility. Inlet filter to protect internal parts from any dust particles entry in gas regulator. Piston type arrangement for better and precise gas control. Teflon valve seat for gas sealing for leak-proof performance. Power capacity of 220 volts, having heater capacity of 120 watt.